It's Christmas season again, and I know one thing you'll be thinking about, or for any special occasion, is what you'll be entertaining your guests with. This Oreo vanilla cake is a kind you've not seen before, and it's so easy to make. Stick around. We're just going to prepare our pan by brushing it with butter. Then we're going to go on now to place your kitchen baking paper at the base of your pan. This will help your cake slide out easily after baking without stress. We are using buttermilk for this recipe. I'm not buying buttermilk. I'm going to be showing you two ways to make your own buttermilk at home. I am using 100 mils of milk, which is half cup. I'm just going to add half tablespoon of lemon or lime juice. So each of the cup, one of the cup I added lemon juice, the other cup I added lime juice. Half tablespoon to half cup of milk, or 1 tablespoon to 1 cup of milk. I'm going to put the ingredients in the description box. I'm just going to stir my mixture set aside, and our buttermilk is ready. I'm going to use Oreo biscuit. Of course, take out the filling or whatever is at the middle of the biscuit. I'm going to crush my biscuit and set aside. We are using 100 grams of butter to 100 grams of sugar, or half cup of sugar. I'm going to mix my butter and my sugar together. Add 4 medium-sized eggs or 3 large-sized eggs. If you're using small eggs, go for 4 eggs. If you're using large-sized eggs or very big eggs, go for 3 large-sized eggs. I'm going to add in my eggs gradually into my batter. Once my eggs is fully mixed into my batter, I'm going to go now to add in our dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, I am using 150 grams of flour, adding half teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda respectively, then 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Yes, the corn flour is actually optional, but it gives your cake a unique texture that everyone would love. I'm going to sift my dry ingredients into my batter, then add in just a pinch of salt or 2 pinches of salt, depending on the fact that if you'll be using salted butter or non-salted butter. If you're using non-salted butter, take it easy on the salt. I'm adding in half cup of my buttermilk, then of course my vanilla flavor. What is vanilla cake without vanilla flavor? I'm going to mix my buttermilk. The buttermilk took the cake to another level. You can see how creamy it's looking. I'm going to stir to make sure that everything is fully mixed together. Then we're going to go on now to add in our Oreo biscuits. Now, add it in generous amount, guys. Add it. Do not manage it. Add it. I'm going to mix it all together. And if this is your first time of stopping by Tebby's Kitchen, you're so welcome. And if you've been here before, good to have you here once again. And if you haven't subscribed, come on now, subscribe to this channel. Do like and share, comment. It encourages us to keep making unique video recipes that you will love. Now, after mixing my Oreo biscuit, I'm going to pour my butter into my pan halfway through. After adding my butter halfway through, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to top my butter with more Oreo biscuits, just a little around the middle, just to give it a touch of uniqueness, and it concentrates the Oreo biscuit at the middle and makes it taste more unique. So I'm going to go on now to top with more of my butter to cover the Oreo biscuit. So I didn't cover all of it, but that's just it. I'm going to add more Oreo biscuit at the top. Then I had bits and pieces of broken Oreo biscuit, which I'm going to top my batter with again. This is also to give the Oreo cake a very unique look. You can decide to skip this part, but guy, this is the look we are going for. It gives your cake a very good look. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes to 50 minutes. And this is what you get at the end of the day. This cake was so yummy. You can tell from the look of the cake. It's something you can make for Christmas and entertain your guests with, or for any special occasion, and everyone will love it. It is unique, it is beautiful, and guys, it is yummy. Have you watched till this point and you haven't thumbs up this video? What are you waiting for? Do thumbs up this video, do like and share, do comment, and tell me if you're going to be trying out this recipe for Christmas. Look at the inside of this cake. We are cutting through this cake, guys. This cake, hey, this cake, oh my god. Your guests will love it. They would love it. Your family will love it. And I know that you will enjoy Christmas with this cake recipe on your table. Thank you so much for stopping by Debbie's Kitchen. Do like, share, and subscribe. And see you in my next one. God bless you.